In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to change your candlestick's colors. There may be a variety of reasons as to why you may change your colors. Either you simply have different preferences or you may be in a different setting. Nonetheless, this is how we would be changing them. So as you see, we have our chart currently here. So what we need to do is right click on our chart, click on the settings button, and now you can see we are on the symbol line. So the way that we could change the colors is fairly easy. Since we have the body, the borders, and the wick all checked, we can edit these accordingly. For example, let's say I wanted the body to be the color of purple. All I would have to do is click on the left square on the body and then move here and click on the purple color. That is for when the price action is moving in an upwards fashion. You can see that the chart is now reflecting the previously green candles as purple. Now, if I wanted for the bearish candles to be a different color, let's say, for example, blue, it would be easy as well. But the issue, once we close this table, is you can see that the bars and the wicks, so surrounding them, are still green and red. If you prefer, you could keep it as it is, or you could simply right click again, click on settings, and then change these to match the body of your candlesticks, which could make it slightly nicer. But that, of course, depends on your own personal preferences. But essentially, this is a very easy and fast way as to how one could change their candlesticks on their TradingView chart.